Greetings of the day, students. I, Harmanpreet from IHM Gurdaspur, is going to show you the demo of fatless sponge cake, which require the following ingredients like refined flour, eggs, sugar, baking powder and vanilla essence. We do require some basic equipments also like sieve, mixing bowl, balloon scraper, rubber spatula, this silicone brush for greasing the cake tin, measuring spoon, parchment paper, scissor, bench scraper and cake tin. We have switch on the oven because we require a preheated oven to 180 degrees Celsius. First of all, we are going to add baking powder into the flour. These are the dry ingredients, so we need to mix it together and we will sieve the dry ingredients together. This will add the mechanical air into the flour. Some aeration will be there while sieving the flour. If you want to make a chocolate sponge, you just replace the 10 grams of flour. Take it out the 10 grams of flour out of it and replace it with 10 grams of cocoa powder. But add it into the flour and sieve it together. We are going to line the cake tin with the parchment paper. We'll take the parchment paper and we will see the markings for the sides. Just mark it and cut it straight so that we can line it all over together. Just put it into it and see if it is covering all the space or not. We have lined the cake tin. See, it is absolutely lined up and we have greased it with the greasing brush with the oil. Now we will start the actual mixing of the sponge. Break whole egg. One by one. Now add sugar. Start whisking it rigorously. Now we will whisk till the eggs and the sugar mix together and it comes to the ribbon stage. So after beating a lot, the stage has come. You can see the ribbon stage. It is forming a lines on the top of the batter. And the volume of the batter has also increased. Now we will add the vanilla essence into it. There are few drops of vanilla essence because it will suppress the flavor of the eggs and also gives the beautiful aroma to the batter and sponge cake. We will remove this. Now we will add flour into the batter. Flour will not be added straight away. We will add in the batches. Because flour is heavy and this batter is light, so we will add flour in small batches into it. Say in 3 batches, and the method is used is called cut and fold. With very gentle hands we will mix it. Cut and fold, cut and fold. See how gently I am doing it. What students do usually, they do it they beat it with the whisker only, which gives the bad shape to the batter, and the batter fall down. The mechanical air which we have incorporated into it, it will lose the aeration if we beat the batter. So we will cut and fold, cut and fold, cut and fold. Very light hands we will mix this batter. The purpose of using this rubber spatula is, see, it is taking out the sides. The batter is not sticking to the sides of the bowl. Now we will put this mixture into the cake tin. Sides of cake tin, not in the center, because it will automatically come to the center. So we will put it on the sides. See, with the rubber spatula, the bowl is being cleaned. No batter is sticking on the sides of the bowl. You can see we have filled this cake tin 1/3. Now we will little bit level this up. We will not tap it. If we tap it, the air will be removed. Or you can use the rubber spatula to level it. Now we will put this cake into the oven, which is having a temperature of 180 degree. We will wait for another 20 minutes till the sponge is done. Come so nicely. Now we will take it out and keep it on the cooling rack. We will take out the sponge very gently. Now we keep it on the cooling rack and let it cool, because it needs ventilation from all the sides. If we keep it here, it will be keep on getting heat from the baking tray and from the cake tin. So we need to give the ventilation to the sponge. We will leave it here and it's done. How do we check that it is done? We will take a toothpick and we will insert this into the center of the sponge and take it out. If it is come clean, it means it's done, and if something is sticking to it, it means it's not done. So this is absolutely done. The stick is absolutely clean. Have a nice evening and enjoy your day with the sponge cake.